Hello everyone, welcome back. So we have completed reports overview till now. Okay, so let's move on to flashcards. Okay, so when you click on flashcard, okay, sorry, if you click here, it will directly get created. That's okay, that's a default flashcard. But if you want to customize, okay, so there are multiple options over here. Okay, number of cards, standard, fewer, and more. Standard is like kind of a average flashcard it will take by default. Okay, level of difficulty easy, medium, hard. Okay, let it be medium. Okay, uh, for first example, let it be standard. Okay, things to try. So the flashcard, this is just a sample. Okay, uh, I'll give one prompt over here to try out. Generate, I'll limit it to 10 flashcard from uploaded glossary and format it as term on front and clear definition with practical example on back. Okay, so flashcard is always two-sided cards. Let's try this out, and meanwhile when it is getting generated I'll walk you through the default flashcard which got generated. Okay, it's generate. Okay, this is getting generated over here, and this is by mistake we clicked on flashcard and this got generated. Let's see how this looks. Which primary legislation governs the skincare industry in India? Okay, so to see the answer, it will get flipped. Okay, so this is how it's going to get created. Okay, it's kind of a quiz kind of a thing where you can create it, and so you can use it in your company all hands or any business meetings, just to create a curiosity. Or in the school you can create this to create kind of a quiz based on a chapter. Okay, where you put all the chapter over here. Okay, and ask NotebookLM to generate a flashcard. So this is the simple feature over here. Okay, where you can create multiple flashcard. And if you see, I had mentioned 10, but based on sources it had so much of content, so it went on and created around 75 flashcard. Okay, and what are the, you can share it. Okay, you can share again, the same uh, format will come. Okay, now let's look at the latest cosmetic flashcard with customization what we have used. Okay, so these are if you see the prompt over here, we mentioned term on front and clear definition with practical example on back, right? If you remember this, okay, it has just given the term. Okay, and what is the meaning and practical implication in the back. So you can customize. Okay, that is my point. uh, okay, you can have this kind of a gamify effects. Okay, you can share this link with multiple people and have that gamify link. Okay, and it will help in memorizing and just practicing. For this example, you can practice all the terms. Okay, so this is about flashcard. See you in next chapter. Thank you.